What's up, guys? It's the Ultimate Outdoorsman, and today I'll be showing you how to rig a chatterbait. So let's get off. Right now, I have a chatterbait. It's in a black blue flake. So whenever a chatterbait goes to the water, this part will spin. It'll start to shake and it'll vibrate this bait. So whenever it goes away, it goes shh. It just starts going through the water, getting that fish's attention on the trailer. This adds like more motion and more vibration to the water. And see, black blue flake. It's like I think it's a 5/0 hook. But what you want to do with chatterbait is, since I have a black blue flake, they have different ones like watermelon, white, stuff like that. What you want to do, you have to match it. If not, you're not going to get any bites at all. So, black blue flake, this is all the black blue flake stuff I have. My dog chewed my pack of Bandito bugs by Guggen Squad. Best baits ever, in my opinion. Guggen baits. They make 6 baits. Bandito bug, crack and crawl, trench hog, slim shake worm, 10-inch mondo worm, and dragon drop. And this is a black blue flake. This one I've rigged way too many times. So get rid of those. Also have some Havoc black blue flake crawls, black blue flake yums, and this kit came with some yum. I just wanted this kit because it was cheap and looked pretty good. But these I don't think will work because you're supposed to rig them through the tail with these type of hooks. So we're gonna put that aside. Trailers, they're called trailers at the end. You want them to match. It's pretty much like you have no choice but to match them. So it's with the same color. Flukes, paddle tails, and crawls. I usually like crawls because it gets the fish's attention, and they love crawls. This is Rage Crawls, black blue flake. It's like an exclusive coffee scent. They smell pretty good. They come in plastic packaging like the Guggen baits. There's 7 in here, and they're $7 a pack plus tax. So a little overpriced. Usually a good price for baits is usually around $2 to $3, maybe even $4, but like Yama Senkos. Alright, this is a black blue flake crawl, rage tail crawl, coffee center. So let's get to it. Make sure your chatterbait's upside down. Get all your little strings moved. What you want to do, you have a little opening right here. Do not do that. What you want to do, you want to feed it through the top. We're not Texas rigging, so we're going to continue through. We'll just keep on continuing. Alright, I'll feel. Alright, you'll feel the hook, and then start pulling down a little bit more. And then there's the hook. You'll lift it up. And then what you're going to do, you're going to push it all the way up to right there. I don't think it'll be able to cover the plastic, but you can try. But that's how it's supposed to be. That is a well-rigged black blue flake chatterbait. This will catch really big bass. So, like I said, whenever it goes to the water, this has vibration. So you can see the crawl. This will add more vibration, and it'll show the crawl off more and make it more imitating for the fish to bite. So whenever the fish bites, we have a 5/0 hook. So you can do it on this. You can do it on any type of black blue flake, stuff like that. So that's how to rig a chatterbait. Any type, like I said, has to be the same.